Trust me, this is the best dosa for summer season. Hello everyone. Today we are making whole green gram dosa. This is also known as Pesarattu. Uh, I'm trying it for the first time and it turned out really great. So first we'll start with how to make step-by-step recipe. So first we have to soak the whole green gram. I'm taking around 1 cup of green gram and 2 tablespoons of rice. Any rice you can use. Wash them thoroughly and I'm soaking it for overnight. In the morning, they have soaked well. Now we are going to grind them into smooth paste. So I'm putting it in the jar. And now I'm adding 2 green chilies and 1 inch of ginger and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll add some water and grind it well. After grinding it, I'll show you the consistency. See, it should be very smooth. Yeah, just like you can see here. And now I'm transferring it to a vessel. So now the batter is ready. This is the consistency we should have for the dosa. Not too thick or not too thin. Now I've chopped onion, green chilies and carrots and coriander for the topping. Add some salt to the batter, and also for the topping also you have to add salt. So I've mixed the batter with the salt nicely. So this is the consistency. It's very smooth. Now add salt to the toppings, the vegetables which I have prepared for the toppings, and mix them also. You can add anything like paneer also for this, capsicum, any other vegetable also. Now the tawa is hot enough. Now put a ladle of batter and spread it evenly with light hand. This dosa, the taste wise, I felt that the regular dosa, it can't beat the regular dosa in taste wise. But trust me, it's so light on the tummy. It's very easy to digest. So here I'm adding butter to it. It gives a very good flavor. You can add oil also or both. The combination of the oil and butter also. And now I'm adding the toppings, the vegetables which I've chopped. Now, taste wise, I was talking about the taste. Taste wise, it's good. It turned out good. But compared to the regular dosa, I felt it's a bit less. But you can digest it easily, especially in the summer season. When you have regular dosa, you feel bloated and it will be very heavy to digest. So this is the perfect dosa for summer season is what I felt. I really felt it to be very light and easy to digest. We had like instead of 2 dosa, I had 3 dosa. So it was that light. And pair it with any chutney of your choice. This is tomato chutney. So the dosa is ready. And please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Foods Memory. And please do comment that how you found out this recipe to be. So thank you. We'll meet in the next episode.